Greetings to all, welcome back to science session. In this video, we will study chemistry chapter 6 combustion and flame. In this chapter, we will study what is combustion, combustible and non-combustible substances, types of combustion, conditions necessary for combustion, firefighting, flame, fuels. First, we will discuss about what is combustion. A chemical process in which a substance burns in the presence of oxygen to give off heat and light is called combustion. There are two types of substances around us. First, those substances which can burn are called combustible substances. For example, diesel, petrol, kerosene. Second, those substances which do not burn are called non-combustible substances, for example, glass and stones. Types of combustion. On the basis of supply of oxygen, combustion is of two types. First is complete combustion. Combustible substance burns completely in the presence of excess of oxygen. Second is incomplete combustion. Combustible substance burns when there is less supply of oxygen. Depending upon the conditions under which combustion takes place, there are three types of combustion. First is rapid combustion. When a combustible substance burns at a rapid rate, producing very large amount of heat and light in a short period of time. For example, cooking gas. Second is spontaneous combustion. When a combustible substance burns on its own without the help of any external heat. For example, forest fire. Third is explosive combustion. A very fast combustion reaction in which a large amount of heat, light and sound are produced. For example, when we light firecrackers. Conditions necessary for combustion. First is the presence of combustible substance. Second is the presence of a supporter of combustion, that is oxygen. Third is the attainment of ignition temperature of the combustible substance. Ignition temperature means the lowest temperature to which a substance must be heated to catch fire and start burning. That's all for today. Thank you.